Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue learning NumPy. So earlier we have seen what is NumPy and how to install it and start using it. Now we'll see 5 or 4 basic functions what you will be frequently using, and we will continue this going deep into NumPy on various functions, how it we will be using and all that we will discuss. And towards the end I will show you how you will download the entire source code or share the Colab platform or your Jupyter notebook to your system and work on it, or you can directly work on your Colab platform. We'll start from here. So this is our in Colab platform I am working, and in a code cell I have added this. Now I have I need not again import NumPy because already I have imported it here. So I'll directly start from here. So I'll create one my list. From a list I am going. So I am creating a list here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my list. Now from this list I will create a one dimensional array. My array, or let's give AR equal to np dot array. Now here I see my list. Fine. Now let me just print. Let's see this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the array is printed. Now let's create a two dimensional array. So one more code block here. I am going for a my list now. Here list equal to, now inside that one more. So 1 dot 2, 3, 4. Now here comma, now one more 5, 6, 7, 8. So now this is the one. So now next is my array equal to np dot array. Now here is my list, print. So let's run this. Here is my two dimensional array. Let us use arange and create some array. So now my array equal to np arange. So if I'll give say 10, now it will start from 0 and will end with 10, but it will not include 10. So let's just print it and see what is create. Print my ar. So here it is. Starts from 0 and it ends at 9. So this is all the elements less than 10. It will not include 10. Now let me move up bit. I will give my own start value, end value and the step value. So for that I am giving my array equal to np, then array. I am starting from 5. Let me end at say 45 and add the step of 5. So let me just, sorry, I had to print the array. Now let's just run this. Yeah, you see starts from 5, 10, 15. Add the step of 5 what you had given it here, but it will not include 45. So it ends at 40. So before 45 it will stop. Let's understand reshape array. So here is a code block I created. Now let's me create a array of 12 elements. Subsequently I will change it to 3 by 4 array. So now I am creating my array equal to np dot arange 12. So it is 0, 1, 2 up to 11 it will create. Now this my array 2 is another new array equal to my array, the old my array reshape. P is reshape. I am giving 3, 4. Now I can print my array 2. So let's just see how this looks. Here it is. Yeah, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is rearranged in a 3 rows, 4 columns. Now before the reshaping, what is the array I want to say? So I can use this. Let me run it again. Print second line will this is the second line output, a one dimensional array. Then I have printed it in a 3 by 4 array. Now let's learn about sum. So what I am doing, I will use the same at array 2 here. Then I am doing print. Now my array 2. Okay, one more function. It is saying shape. So it will tell me what dimension it is. Let me just see that. Yeah, 3 by 4. It gives me the shape. Now let me just one more step, print my array2 dot sum. What this gives me? Okay, let me function. I have, yeah, it is 66, means all elements are added. Here you can see all elements sum is given as 66. Now let me just move up a bit. Okay, let's try in a axis wise. So in a vertically and horizontally, always remember vertical one is axis 0. So let's copy this, place it here, sum axis equal to 0. Now let's run this and see. Yeah, 12, 15, 18, 21. So what it does, it's sum of vertically. So 15 here, then 10, 6, 18 here, all vertically these columns are added. Some of the columns are given here. Now I want to row wise sum. So for that I will say print. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, you can see here row wise 0, 1, 2, 3, sum is your 6, then next is 22, next is, so you can row wise sum you will get. Even you can get the mean value also. Let's just copy this up to this. Okay, here you will see, take it to another code block here. Now I will replace mean. Let's just first go for the mean value of here at 5.5. Now let me just mean from axis wise. Yeah, you can see all the mean values in a row and a column wise. To download the entire source code you or save it, you can just visit this URL. This is there in the description, NumPy homepage. Then scroll down, you will read all the details here, and the links to sub pages are there. See the video, and here is the link at the end. So NumPy Basics, click that, it will take you to the GitHub. So here you can download it or save it to your system, or at the top you will get it open in Colab. Just click this, you're in your Colab account, the same page will open. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and we will continue our learning of NumPy further. So we will go into other methods and we'll see how you can use it. And if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are doing tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.